Sir, the first thing which I would like to clarify is about the inflationary trend which has set in. One of the honorable members, Sri Shankar Ghosh, a very experienced member of this house who had also been in the planning commission and knows the intricacies of how the things are being worked out, has been pleased to state here that the rate of inflation is very high, and added to that, the balance of payments positions is going to be very bad compared with the percentage that we have worked out for the sixth plan as a whole. For imports for the first year, the import bill has risen very high. Then how is this assumption going to be correct? That is the point, and a very valid point which he raised during the course of the discussion. Sir, he has also mentioned about the Honorable Finance Minister making his speech at Kanpur, wherein he seems to have been made a reference that a little inflationary trend is a kind of a stimulant to the economy. Sir, the inflationary trends we cannot view in isolation. Honorable Sri Shankar Ghosh will definitely agree with us that there are two factors which will have to be taken into account. The first factor is the international situation which is now obtaining. Secondly, whether we like it or not, we have to import the oil products. If they are to be imported, can we take a serious view of the situation? That is a thing which I am sure most of the honorable members there will be able to appreciate. The second aspect is, why is it that we have such a high import bill in 1980-81 when the plan itself commenced, and when we were talking in terms of 9%, immediately in the very first year it jumped. I am sure that most of the honorable members are aware of the fact that it is on account of the kind of legacy that this government got. I would not like to dilate on that issue, but the fact of the matter is that the agricultural production had gone down. Even in the industrial sector, there was a decline of 1.4%. The coal production had considerably gone down in terms of production, and the electricity generation was at the lowest. If we had to make a beginning, which in fact is within the control of the government of India, with these infrastructural facilities which will have to be provided both in the agricultural sector and the industrial sector, concerted efforts will have to be made.